Hello, my dear students. Today we will be starting a new chapter in chemistry, that is chemical reactions and chemical equations. In today's lesson, we will discuss about atom and its structure. Students, everything in the universe is made up of atoms. An atom is the smallest particle of matter. Every form of matter that exists in solid, liquid, gas, or plasma form is composed of atoms. Each atom has a dense center called the nucleus. The nucleus contains positively charged particles called the protons and uncharged particles or neutral particles called the neutrons. The protons and the neutrons are held together or are attracted to each other by a force called the nuclear force. Around the nucleus are negatively charged particles called the electrons that are in constant motion. They move round and round the nucleus in paths called the orbits. The electrons of an atom and the protons are attracted to each other by a force called the electromagnetic force. Since the number of protons in an atom are same as the number of electrons, so overall an atom has no charge. An atom is the smallest particle of matter. An atom is made up of subatomic particles called protons, electrons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged, neutrons are neutral particles, and overall an atom carries no charge. Atomic number. The number of protons in an atom is called its atomic number. Students, we already know what protons are. The positively charged particles in the nucleus of an atom are called the protons. The number of protons in an atom is called the atomic number. The hydrogen atom contains one proton. So the atomic number of hydrogen atom is 1. The helium atom contains two positive charged protons, so the atomic number of helium atom is 2. The lithium atom contains 3 protons, so atomic number is 3. Beryllium has 4 protons, boron 5, carbon 6 and nitrogen 7. Mass number. The sum of the protons and the neutrons in the nucleus of an atom is called its mass number. Students, the hydrogen atom contains 1 proton and 0 neutrons. So the sum of the proton and the neutron is called the mass number. The mass number of hydrogen atom is 1. The helium atom contains 2 protons and 2 neutrons. So the mass number of helium atom is 2 plus 2, that is 4. The lithium atom contains 3 protons and 4 neutrons. So the sum of protons and neutrons is 7. The mass number of lithium atom is 7. The mass number of beryllium atom is 9. So mass number is the sum of the protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. Molecule. A molecule is composed of 2 or more than 2 atoms. Example, a water molecule is composed of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Now, if 2 atoms of hydrogen combine with 1 atom of oxygen, it forms 1 molecule of water. So, a molecule is composed of 2 or more than 2 atoms. Atomicity. Atomicity is defined as the total number of atoms that constitute a molecule. Students, we have already discussed molecule. Molecules are made up of two or more than two atoms. So, example of atomicity is, this is a molecule of oxygen which is composed of two atoms of oxygen. So, the atomicity of oxygen is 2. Now, again, one molecule of water contains two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So, the atomicity of the water molecule is 3 since it contains two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. The total number of atoms are 3.